Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. On this specimen, I'm riding from Nutley, New Jersey to Brooklyn, New York in the pouring rain. How about that? Well, it's not exactly pouring, it is raining, but come on, give me that green light, Groove. Somebody's calling me, who knows what's going on here. No turn on red. Oh boy, this freaking light, the longest light in history. Is it broken? What is happening? Oh, this is so frustrating. What the fuck is going on? Why is this light so long? I'm about to run it. I feel like maybe I'm not triggering it or something. I don't see any cops. Alright. I'm just gonna go. I have no idea what's going on here. That light was a little too much. I had to go for it. Oh boy. Madness. My GPS is totally screwed because somebody fucking called. Oh boy. Rain, wet, and phone calls. I'm gonna have to pull over right here under this tree here and cancel this shit, because that is annoying and frustrating at the same time. Come on, man. Oh fuck, so frustrating. Now my hand is wet and it's gonna be a bitch to get it in there. Son of a bitch. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. Now we're cooking with butter. Now we did it. Now we did it. No more phone calls, let's hope. And here we go. Such a flaw that I need to change that on my phone, the settings, where if somebody calls me or texts me, the message stays on top of Waze. Like, what kind of logic is that? Like, what's the point of that? You have a voicemail is more important than where are you going. Come on, people. Fucking hell. Jersey drivers, I swear. Holy shit, these people are everybody's driving cars with roofs and windshield wipers, and you know, everybody's dry, and they still don't know how to drive. Freaking all-wheel drive vehicle. Amateurs. It's too early to be cranky though. Like, look at these fucking people. Like, they're legit going 5 miles per hour. Sweet bananas. Anyway, sorry for bitching, sorry for moaning. This is only the beginning. Luckily, I only have 18 miles to get home, and it's telling me it will take me 39 minutes, which I find accurate. Although this path includes an extra toll, extra like $5 toll for no reason, which I think I might avoid. And yeah, I'm wearing my rain gear, obviously, my Alpine Star 2-piece suit, my TCX waterproof boots, and then I got my waterproof Revit gloves. Everything is tucked in. Everything is good. I'm using my older showy helmet, so it's not the pin lock is kind of old, which is not all that good. And yesterday MotoGP race was wet. Imagine like doing this shit. Imagine going 200 miles per hour in the wet. I'm just taking it easy. I'm literally just not even doing anything. Just gotta get on a highway and there we go. Nice. This is fantastic. I did want to get a little bit of extreme riding in, so this is extreme enough. Gonna get in the fast lane. I feel like there's gonna be less movement around here. Less movement from other cars, that is. This is definitely not ideal riding conditions. I'll be the first to admit, but same time, only got 16 miles. Baby food. So loud right now. I've been riding with the earplugs lately, the happy ears. I mentioned a few times now. I'm trying to do a review of it, but the elements do not want me to record it. But anyway, yeah, without earplugs, it sure is much louder. Who would have thought? Who would have knew? Pretty windy, pretty wet. Good old Ducati, still cooking with butter. Guy gonna get into the left lane? Go ahead. You wanna? No? Alright. Is it dangerous right now? Sure. It looks pretty dangerous, right?
doing?